Alright, next fan in Jack Patterson's house. It's the Casablanca Four Seasons. I hope you all remember this fan. This used to be in his bedroom, but now it's in his parents' room. It replaced the Harbor Breeze Calera. I think some people probably remember it. It was on a Harbor Breeze remote, which now does nothing. Not even lighting up, it's dead. This is the lights. It does have a CFL, so it does kind of like buzz. And I'll demonstrate it on low 1 first. Maybe. There we go. I don't know what was happening there. And I'll show it on factory speeds after I'm done. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it does have a little bit of a buzz. Amazingly, about the light, it's quieter. Alright, turn it to low 2, which really is not much different. Oh, it's humming now, but it's a medium speed. Oh yes, you can definitely hear it hum on this speed. And we'll do high speed now. This is where it hums the most. Amazingly though, yeah, it does hum with the light. So I'll go ahead and stop this and film it on the factory speeds. Light really just turns it on and off. Here's low speed. When I first came here, I thought this was a 4-speed model, but apparently it's not. Apparently these ones take forever to start up. Here's medium. The humming sounds pretty cool on these, but other than that, it's really a crappy fan. And here's high. And by the way, if I said Casablanca 4 Seasons, I mean Casablanca 4 Seasons 3. I don't even think I mentioned that yet. Looks pretty nice without the light kit, in my opinion. I think it looks better without it. And go ahead and turn it off. So yeah, that's it for that one.